In the north of England, behind the walls of Alnwick Castle, there is a garden where every single plant is deadly. The gates carry a warning: these plants can kill. Visitors have fainted just from breathing the air. In the north of England, behind the walls of Alnwick Castle, there is a garden where every single plant can kill you. The iron gates at the entrance carry a simple warning: these plants can kill. It is not an exaggeration. The Alnwick Gardens Poison Garden contains approximately 100 species of toxic, narcotic, and deadly plants. Visitors are strictly forbidden from touching, smelling, or tasting anything. Despite these warnings, several visitors have fainted during tours, not from fear, but from inhaling toxic fumes released by the plants on warm days. The garden was created in 2005 by Jane Percy, the Duchess of Northumberland. When her husband inherited Alnwick Castle and its neglected gardens, she was given the task of redesigning the grounds. Most landscape architects would have planted roses. She decided to plant killers. Her reasoning was darkly practical. "I thought, what's more interesting than plants that can kill you?" she told reporters. "People aren't interested in a herb garden. But tell them a plant can kill them and they're fascinated." She was right. The Poison Garden is now one of the most visited attractions in northern England. The collection reads like a pharmacist's nightmare. Atropa belladonna, deadly nightshade, whose berries taste sweet but can cause hallucinations, seizures, and death. Just 2 berries can kill a child. 4 can kill an adult. During the Renaissance, Italian women dropped belladonna extract into their eyes to dilate their pupils and appear more attractive. The name literally means beautiful woman. Ricinus communis, the castor bean plant from which ricin is derived. Ricin is one of the most potent biological toxins known to science. A dose the size of a grain of sand can kill an adult. In 1978, Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov was assassinated on a London bridge when a modified umbrella injected a ricin-laced pellet into his leg. He died 3 days later. Conium maculatum, poison hemlock, the plant that killed Socrates. The ancient Greek philosopher was sentenced to death by drinking a cup of hemlock tea in 399 BC. The toxin paralyzes the muscles from the extremities inward. Socrates reportedly walked around his cell until his legs went numb, then lay down and waited as the paralysis climbed upward until it reached his heart. Aconitum wolfsbane, or monkshood, a beautiful purple flower that has been used as a poison for thousands of years. Ancient warriors dipped their arrows in aconitum extract. Touching the plant with bare skin can cause numbness. Ingesting it causes the heart to slow and eventually stop. There is no reliable antidote. The garden also contains plants that are legal but controlled: cannabis, coca, opium poppies, and magic mushrooms. These are grown under license from the Home Office, the UK government department responsible for drug policy. They are kept behind a second locked gate within the garden. What makes the Poison Garden genuinely unsettling is how ordinary the plants look. Many of them grow wild in hedgerows and gardens across Britain. Foxglove, which produces the heart drug digitalis, grows in nearly every English garden. In the wrong dose, it causes fatal heart arrhythmia. Laurel hedges, found in millions of suburban gardens, produce hydrogen cyanide when their leaves are crushed. The Duchess has said that one of her motivations for creating the garden was education, particularly for children. The Poison Garden runs programs for schools about the dangers of drug plants. They also work with local police on drug awareness campaigns. "Children don't care about aspirin coming from a plant," she has said. But tell them about a plant that makes your blood boil and your eyes bleed, and they remember it. The garden continues to expand. New species are added regularly, sourced from around the world. Some acquisitions require government approval and specialized handling. Every plant is labeled with its name, its origin, and what it does to the human body. The Alnwick Poison Garden sits inside the grounds of a castle that is over 700 years old. The castle itself has served as a military stronghold, a college, and a film set. It doubled as Hogwarts in the first two Harry Potter films. But it is the garden, not the castle, that draws the crowds. People travel from around the world to walk through a garden where every plant wants to kill them. They stand behind rope barriers and listen to guides describe exactly how each species attacks the human body. They buy souvenirs from the gift shop shaped like skulls and labeled with poison warnings. It is a garden that celebrates death. And 500,000 people a year pay admission to see it. The Duchess was right. Tell people something can kill them, and they can't look away. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more stories like this. We post new videos every week.